Now, in just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you're able to connect your Facebook ad manager account to your Instagram ad account. Now, the reason you need to do this is because it's going to save you a lot of money. It is a lot cheaper to run ad from Facebook ad manager to Instagram than to run directly from Instagram. Instagram ad is very expensive, all right? But if you are running it through Facebook ad manager, you're going to cut cost. Over half of the money you are paying for ad will reduce because running ad from Facebook ad manager is cheaper than running ad from Instagram. That's the purpose for this particular tutorial. That's why you need to do this. All right. So in just 6 minutes, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now let me give you the preambles of what we did. Now, first of all, you need to make sure you have a new Facebook Instagram account. Make sure you have a new Instagram account and you have a Facebook account. It doesn't have to be a new Facebook. If your Instagram is not new, you can also use it. All right. Well, first thing we did was we went to our Instagram and we tried to boost one particular post. Now, when you boost post on your desktop, you are using your PC, all right, you're going to get an option whether you want to connect your Facebook to your Instagram. You're going to go ahead and accept, then connect your Facebook. You are going to go ahead and accept it. Then go ahead and fill in your Facebook details on your Instagram. It will give you a pop-up box where you're going to put in your Facebook email and password. So you're going to log in directly to your Facebook and it's going to take you back to your Facebook ad manager. And then if you go to your Instagram ad, you're going to see your Facebook ad account on your Instagram. That means your Instagram is automatically now connected to your Facebook. All right. So you can then run your ad directly on Instagram. Then you cannot go to, if you run your ad on Instagram, if you go to your Facebook ad manager, you will see the ad displaying there. So you cannot use your phone, your Facebook ad manager on your phone. Go to Apple Play Store or go to Android Play Store to download it. Then you can go ahead and monitor your ad on your phone. You can go there and you're just like running Facebook ad. All right. Now the cost per click and the cost per view is not going to be running like you are running ad on Facebook. We all know that running ad on Facebook is very cheap compared to running ad on Instagram. So if you use this particular method, you'll be able to use your Facebook ad manager account to run ad directly on Instagram, right? That will connect people to your Facebook. And we all know that Facebook ad manager account has more options. You can target anybody, unlike Instagram. All right, Instagram audience targeting is not that it's not that specific and direct enough like Facebook. All right, now you can then go ahead and use Facebook ad manager account to run your audience and target that particular location you cannot target on Instagram. All right, you're now running through ad manager. So in this particular video, I show you how to do the connection. So when you run ad on Instagram, you can go over to your Facebook ad manager account and go ahead, you will see the ad and then you can go ahead and edit it the way you want, edit the price, edit the location, because Instagram do not have enough strong location targeting. All right, so this is how you are going to do. All right, so the first you want to do is to go over to your Instagram account. So this is our Instagram page, as you can see. So we already have two posts. I'm going to go ahead and click on boost post. This is you're going to go ahead and click on boost reel. Now it's going to show you a pop-up. Say use a Facebook ad account for your Instagram ad. So I'm going to connect. You're going to go to accept. All right. Once you accept, it's going to ask you to put in your Facebook login details. So this is going to log in directly to your Facebook. All right. This is your Facebook login details. Make sure it's correct and then click on login in order for you to log in. So I'm going to have to log in now. Now it said continue as the request. That's the name of the Facebook ad account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. So as you can see, it's currently loading. We're just going to wait for it to finish loading. So once it's done loading, all right, you can see it's taking us back to our Instagram. Now, how do we know that our ad manager account has already been connected to our Facebook? Because this is our normal Facebook ad. Nice. It has taken us where we will run our Instagram ad. This is our Instagram account. This is where you say boost reel. Now, when you come here, see your ad account was the request. All right. So this ad account now has been connected. This is my Facebook ad manager account. You can see right there, it has already been connected. Now, if I run ad directly from Instagram now, I'm going to be using my ad manager account to run ads. You can see it says visit your website. These are my normal ad settings. Okay, you put in your details. Then you pick WhatsApp, right? In case you want to be receiving message on WhatsApp, and go ahead and do that. Right, you're just going to run through to check some of these details. So we should see your ad. All right. So you can go ahead and create your own engagement. So you can do that manually. So I'm going to go ahead and what you are going to do, you're going to make sure you edit it on Facebook, because it is Facebook that has the best targeting. All right, it's ad manager, Facebook ad manager that has the best targeting platform. Now, Instagram is just like a joke. If you come here trying to target locations, it's not that specific. It doesn't target some specific location compared to compared to Facebook Ad Manager. So that's why we are connecting to Ad Manager, so you can target anything, target any location, any street, any region. Okay, so that's why you need to go. We were just going to go ahead and do anything you do here, right? We're going to name this our audience. Now, if you give it a name and save it, once you finish running the ad, if you go to your Facebook Ad Manager, you're going to see this ad there. I'm going to go ahead and edit it. All right, you can always go there and edit it on your Ad Manager. So you can go to your Play Store and install your Facebook Ad Manager, right, and log into your Facebook, the same Facebook you connected to your Instagram, right? That's in Facebook. Log it in, and the ad you run on Instagram, this one we are currently running now, is going to show up there, and then you'll be able to edit it on your Ad Manager account. It is that simple. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick some locations, some region, location. As you can see, on Instagram we have region, we have location. On Facebook, everything is together. You can pick any place you want to pick, and it's more broad than Instagram, very, very broad. So we are still going to go ahead and just pick one or two locations, but three important locations. If you can actually go ahead and re-edit this particular thing. So we're going to edit it and do it better. All right. So I guess you should be familiar with Facebook Ad Manager, right? Because you can see the location that we have set up, and it's between 2.5 million to 3 million people that we are targeting in this location. This location has a lot of people. This is Ikeja city town in Nigeria. So I'm targeting these locations. So we're just going to go ahead and do the needful. All right. So in case you don't know how to run targeting on Facebook ad manager, if you don't know how to target, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right. Because if you check my videos, I taught how to target on Facebook ad manager. I taught how to connect your Facebook ad to set up your Facebook ad manager to get your maximum result. All right. You might want to subscribe to this channel and check out some of my videos. All right. So I'm just going to come back here and check so that everything is set, and this is the amount we want it to be running for a day. This is the amount you're supposed to be paying daily. All right. So run this ad until I pause it. So you have option to set the duration, and you have option to run the ad until you pause it. Now, mind you, everything we are doing here now, because we have already connected it to our ad manager account, we can go to our ad manager account. That's where I run the ad here to go and edit it. Know fully whether you must first of all run your ad here on Instagram. All right. Then you now go over to your ad manager account and go there and edit it. Why? Because ad manager have more ability, more features and things that you need to target the right audience. And then it's going to make sure your ad is very cheap. Right? You are going to be spending like you are running ad on Facebook, whereas you are running ad on Instagram.